Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily enable or disable emoji animations on Telegram, on iPhone and Android. Do you want to control those animated emojis on Telegram? Well, there is a quick way to get it done. Animated emojis can make chats more fun and expressive, but they can also feel distracting or use extra data and battery. So whether you prefer a cleaner, simpler chat experience or enjoy lively animations in your conversations, I'll guide you step by step to adjust this setting so it works the way you like. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the Telegram app on your iPhone or the Android device, and then you have to hit the settings icon. After that you have to choose the appearance option to proceed. Then you have to select animations option. And finally, we have to enable or disable the toggle for emoji animations depending on your needs, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily enable or disable emoji animations on Telegram on your iOS or Android device. Adjusting this setting lets you personalize your chat experience, keeping it fun and animated or simple and distraction free. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.